The fight against heroin is taken to the state capitol.
LUTV's Cassie Hall is here with more information on a new bill that could reduce overdoses.
Naloxone is a drug used to help people who are suffering from an opiate overdose, most commonly an overdose from heroin. Walgreens Pharmacy already has Naloxone available without a prescription in the 35 states where state law allows. Missouri is not yet one of these states, but likely will be soon. Naloxone has saved the lives of countless heroin overdose victims. It has saved even more since the law passed allowing first responders to carry it 2 years ago. In St. Peters, Central County Assistant Fire Chief Steve Brown says the law allowing anyone to purchase the drug is an important step to saving more lives.
We've run a tremendous number of calls within our community where we've had patients that have died from opiate overdoses. We want to have all the tools available for us to be able to do the job, and if this is a tool that we can get out in the community that helps save a life, it doesn't matter, we want it to be out there.
That is exactly why Missouri House Representative Steve Lynch proposed the changes. According to Lynch, 85% of overdose deaths happen when someone else is around. He says it would give family and friends the opportunity to save the life of their loved one. Chief Brown says there is no reason to not have the drug available.
What's really nice about the Naloxone, or otherwise known as Narcan, is that there is no contraindications to it, meaning that if given to somebody who isn't in an opiate overdose, there's no harmful effects to it.
St. Louis DEA officer Juan Wilson says Narcan is not always a sure thing. He recalls one case where an overdose victim needed 6 doses. He's also concerned some users could abuse the overdose drug.
You're going to have users who are fighting their addiction. They're actually trying to go through recovery and relapse. And then you're going to have a group that is kind of going to use it like how Plan B was used. They feel they're going to be able to use as much heroin as they want to.
Officer Wilson says heroin is not just a problem in the city, but that Highway 70 is making it easily spread into St. Charles and even further into the suburbs.
It's no longer a drug that's considered to be in the inner city. The suburbs are starting to get hit a lot with the overdoses.
A Walgreens spokesperson said purchasers have to ask the pharmacist for the Naloxone. When a person asks for the drug, the pharmacist will instruct them on how to use it and make sure they know that they still need to call 911. For LUTV News, I'm Cassie Hall.